Ndewo ndị ọma mo, aha m bụ Chika, abụ m onye nkụzi Igbo. Hello my good people, my name is Chika and I am an Igbo tutor. So today we are going to be looking at greeting by the time of the day. You know we have the morning, afternoon, evening and night. And today we are going to be looking at how we greet in Igbo language using these times of the day. So let's dive right into it. In the morning, we say "Ụtụtụ ọma," "Ụtụtụ ọma," which means good morning. At noon, we say "Ehihie ọma," "Ehihie ọma," which means good afternoon. In the evening, we say "Mgbede ọma," "Mgbede ọma," which means good evening. And at night, we say "Kachifo," "Kachifo," which means good night. And that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.